Hey, Dom Quattro here. What's up, YouTube? So, I haven't done a video in a little bit. Right now, my SQ5 is actually running stage 2 plus E85 with 034. So that's full bolt-on with the stock turbo, essentially running that corn. And I think this thing's gonna boogie. And 034's contingency plan right now is 11.75 for the quarter for this chunky girl here. But I think we can do this. It feels good. I'm fresh off the R2.2 ECU upgrade, that update that 034 just put out. So it's feeling pretty good. So I got probably like 3/4 tank of gas, no weight reduction. I have the tow hitch. So I mean, this thing is as chunky as she can get, but I love it, and we're gonna do some runs and see how it goes. All right, so let's talk about the mod list. So this is stage 2 plus E85, which means full bolt-on with the stock turbo. So we're talking 034 turbo inlet, 034 turbo intake. We're talking the 034 transmission mount upgrade. And on top of that, I got the Wagner Intercooler. I have the 034 ZTF wheels, which are forged super mega lightweight. Love those things. And yeah, for the most part, as far as performance goes, that's it.
5 minutes later.
All right, so I totally let off for some reason on the first run, but I did another run in a place with a little bit more traction, and here's how it went.
5 minutes later.
30, 60, quarter mile.
All right, fresh off the run, 11.74 to take that 11.75 contingency 034. It's gonna be paying me out, but hey, she looking good, she feeling good. Praise be to all of us still running stock turbos. It's okay, it's still fine. Hybrid someday win, but hey, for right now, get out there with your stage 2 plus E85, baby.